Today we're going to talk about the equations of vertical and horizontal lines. So let's first talk about vertical lines. Every point on a vertical line contains the same x value. Let me see if I can write here. X value. Therefore, the equation for vertical lines is x equals a constant, or x equals a number. So let's look at this vertical line right here, and I'm going to walk you through some points. And remember, ordered pairs are written x comma y. That first number tells you to move left or right. Second number tells you to move up or down. So this point right here represents the point -2, 0. What about this point up here? That would be -2, 4. What about this one right here? That ordered pair is -2, -3. So regardless of the y value, every single x value is -2. Therefore, the equation of this vertical line is x equals -2. It's the x value for every single point on here. Now let's look at horizontal lines. Every point on a horizontal line contains the same y value. Therefore, the equation for horizontal lines is y equals a constant, or y equals a number. So let's do the same thing on this graph. Let's write some ordered pairs. So what's the ordered pair for that point right there? 0, -4. What about this one right here? -3, -4. What about this one right here? 2, -4. So as you can see, every single y value is the same. So the equation for this line would be y equals what that y value is, which is -4. Let's go through some examples. Number 1, that's a vertical line. Automatically, I know it's x equals, where does it cross my x-axis? At 1, so it's x equals 1. Let's look at number 2. That's a horizontal line. Automatically, I know it's y equals a number. Where does it cross my y-axis? +2. Y equals 2. Number 3, what would that be? X equals or y equals? X equals, where does it cross that x-axis? There's 0, -1, -2, -3, at -4, so x equals -4. So now let's graph some of these lines. When we're given an equation, let's graph it. So number 4 is y equals -3. Well, I know that y equals is a horizontal line. Here's my y-axis. Where is -3 on this y-axis? It's right here. Sometimes I give quizzes, and students, when I ask them to graph this, will just leave me that. Nope. The equation of this line, or I'm sorry, the graph of this line is a horizontal line. You need to do the whole thing. Okay, so that's a horizontal line, and it goes through we're on your y-axis where y is -3. So number 5, how would I graph number 5? X equals, it's a vertical line, undefined slope, it's not even a function. You can't even graph this on your graphing calculator. If you have like a TI-83 or a TI-84, it won't let you graph it. So x equals 0, well, where is that? Well, here is where x is 0 on my x-axis. Well, I guess this line right here, oh my gosh, terrible line, is where x is 0. Right, yeah. It's my y-axis. In fact, the equation for my y-axis is x equals 0. Let's go to number 6, y equals 4. That's going to be a horizontal line. On my y-axis, go to where y is 4. There's where y is 4, and here's the graph of the equation y equals 4. And that concludes your notes over horizontal and vertical lines. I hope it was helpful.